The reliability of any cleanroom equipment begins with the precision and strength of its structural components. This is a core part of our manufacturing system. We follow the design-driven process selection principle. For standard parts, the CNC punch press is the ideal choice for its high efficiency. For complex custom requirements, our high-power fiber laser cutter provides unparalleled machining flexibility. We operate a hybrid model of automation coupled with flexible manufacturing. The automatic bending center ensures efficiency for large-scale production, while the CNC press brake allows rapid response to diverse custom needs. Astute viewers might ask, what about welding? As part of our specialized production line layout, welding is conducted in a separate, dedicated workshop to ensure the highest standards, from a steel sheet to a complete device. Deshengxin Purification relies on its full industry chain manufacturing to embed quality at every stage. If you'd like to see our welding workshop or other processes, please let us know in the comments. For any procurement or technical inquiries, please check the description box below for our contact information. Thanks for watching.